Alright guys, let me go over a quick review of the KLR. I used to ride for Junior and the stunt team back in the day, and still do, whenever they pay me. Militia riders, everything over the years. Listen to that horn though. This is serious right here. Double horns. I did that. I took it off for one bike from 2000, I believe it was, and transferred it over back then. Same horn been on that long. The old girl. You see all the stuff on the ground? This is why I have not been out. But I miss you guys, so decided to come out here and make a quick clip. Got my guy right there. He wanted to lock up the gate for me, but I'm coming right back. Hey YouTube, how you doing guys? It's one man's wish, aka 1MW. It's a little nippy out here today, but decided to throw a little video together for you. See what we can make happen. Am I back? Haha. Hey guys, how you doing? Just wanted to say hi to you and say Happy New Year, since it's the first video I'm making for the year. And I'd like to thank all you guys for supporting me throughout the year. I've been gaining subscribers even without putting up videos, which I thought would never happen, but it did. So I really appreciate that, guys. Keep it coming, you know. I'm just coming out here waiting for my order. I have an order that I put in for you, Christina. This crazy ass dude. You see these people out here nowadays? Anyway, I'm waiting for my gift to arrive for my Poke Wars people, family. Beautiful weather today though. Brooklyn. I gotta go run over here to AutoZone, go get me a tire pressure reader, and as well as some Startron enzyme for my fuel tank to keep the Ducati and the Cowie running good. By the way, this bike is actually currently now 12 years old. Still riding on the same engine, still doing what it's doing. Still rides like it's brand new, and that's what happens when you take care of things. You want a review? I'll give you a 12-year review of a Kawasaki KLR 650. It's a little minor thing that may happen and it'll stretch you out because you think you can't figure it out. But this thing is so hands-on, plug and play, unscrew and screw, that it's so simple. You're on the highway, you're in the mountains, something like that happened to you, you know what to do. You can pull on the side, pull out your little tool patch, get to working, baby. You know, make it happen. Gotta watch these little sides over here, debris. Back through the city streets of Brooklyn. See this? You go prepare for him to turn or something because he looks like he don't know what he's doing. Ooh, nails in the street. It's amazing how many things you have to look for as, you know, when you're riding a motorcycle. You gotta look for potholes, nails in the street, people jumping out, cars, bicyclists. It's just never ending. And you don't have any protection around you. So, you know, kind of crazy. But oh well. Look at her, she's looking at the camera. The camera attracts people. You see that? Eating the food. Now she's going to try to eat like a diva. Ooh. It's our key food area. This is right here is where Biggie's from. Literally. Biggie. Boom, 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 boom. This one goes out to you. You. I'm only going 10 miles an hour blowing on the side here. I never go no more than 15, the most 20. Because I need time to react. Nice, cool, leisurely day out in Brooklyn. Excuse me, guys. Look at the people, reckless. Franklin Avenue station. They actually remodeled this whole train station. It used to be just some little trestle and a bunch of bums and everybody hanging out. I mean, it's really no different now, but look at Shorty. Just cold. See if she goes in the air. Yeah, baby. Boy. Let's race the Chinese man. Oh, dang no! Hey, no, for dang no! Oh no! Hey, don't come out without your head down. You'll be on TV. You don't need to record me getting gas, but who gives a shit? You coming along all the way. I ain't gonna bring you in bits and pieces. Dusty, woo. Look at him, he's freezing with a little electric bike. Look at Mr. Yorty right here. Yorty! Yorty! The crab driver. This is no good, my friend. Ну по-русски, русский язык нет. Спасибо. Ха-ха-ха. Haha! Get some, buddies. Let's see what we can get. You guys don't need to see this, but we'll bring it. Got it, man. Yeah, that's my good deed. God damn, you thing. So listen to my tunes, baby. About to go get me some quick lunch. Fucking nobody uses a crosswalk no more. No one uses a crosswalk. Fucking idiots, man. It's going to be fun this year. Let's make these things roll. You got any good ideas you want to toss at me? Go ahead, throw it down there in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get back to you. My life's been so hectic. I'm finally getting around to doing my stickers for you guys this week. Whoa, like 3 months later, right? 4 months later. I apologize for that. I've just been going. I haven't had time to get around to doing it. So, but I definitely get it to you guys this upcoming weekend. I'll post a picture up on Facebook, Instagram, and everything else. So that old pimp driving that bus?